240.
140.
4041 and S20. We'll be en route to Civic for that call.
10-4. All units 10-3. He is only in for an Antioch bound 2 out of West Oakland. I don't think we're going to wait till MacArthur. This is possibly related to the Civic call. It might be the same call or a separate call, but there's a report on the Antioch bound a minute and a half out of West Oakland that a male possibly stabbed at X-ray. We don't have a description. The report was she was bleeding. Sounds similar to the victim we have at Civic Center.
S66, myself in 11 to B49.
When we hold a West Oakland?
I'll take it at West Oakland.
Setting a hold for West Oakland.
Thursday, I'm going to break. I'll be en route. 14th main traffic via train.
And for Zone 4 units, we had SFPD called in here. One of their lieutenants was flagged down for 24th Street as a female who had her throat slashed, possibly all related, for the same call. They had no further details.
42 April, we're out with her right now. Apparently she was sliced in the neck. We need code 3 medical.
10-4. We'll update. I believe they were about code 3.
We're working on a suspect description right now.
Are we getting any calls on this Antioch bound train?
S66 negative. I'll run through on the other side, but we have no description until 243 can update us.
You left your copy. I'm about to.
42 getting description right now from a witness.
2X41, 1097. I'll be staging until we get it script.
Is this West Oakland?
2X41, April.
42, is that okay?
I copied the description. What was the end of your transition? The whole train's out at where? You're hard to read, so you went train held out of Civic and then started an evidence check?
Hey, friend, if somebody down the line could please check the Antioch bound train that departed 24th Street a few minutes ago.
We have it holding West Oakland. Now we have the description we're going to check. Confirm you wanted Civic closed?
They can just close the station here at 24th Street.
S66, lens deploy.
L24 for 42, can we do run-throughs? And
40, we're going to have 59 Civic for the suspect.
13. 13, we're going on to the platform. You can give us here.
For code 33 West.
13, okay, train car 4416 notes, please.
And S66 is train call. I'll have to go into service.
13, train car is UTL. Going no waste here.
13 copy. Transfer to TL code 34 838.
40, we're UTL at Civic Center.
Wait, 10 I saw the note in there.
Can you do run-throughs for 24th Street? Station is still closed.
S21, go ahead.
I know we're dealing with 24th Street, but the agent at 16th was calling in at 415. She says she's being harassed by a subject around the booth. We advised her of the emergency, but just calls pending.
S219 copy. We're taking Muni, pick up a vehicle, then we'll head to 24th Street.
Call 24.
for West Oakland, can we do run-throughs on at West Oakland?
S66 clear to run through on West Oakland on the one side?
And S66, they can single track. It's probably going to be about 15 minutes before this Antioch bound can break from here.
Simple update central, they could do the single tracking on the one side.
They're covering the route to West Oakland. Should be there in about 10 minutes.
L24.
For video recovery and the CSL responding to West Oakland, can we have them divert to 12th? S66 is going to put an officer on the train car at West Oakland so Central can move it to 12th Street.
And 2X41, I'm on the incident train car. I think the TO's already released it to Central to take it to 12th.
For units at 12th Street, was or not at 12th Street, at West Oakland, were all the patrons taken off the incident train?
S66 affirm. If you haven't released it, we can check it, but per the TO, he walked the entire car and said it was clear. Or the entire train and said it was clear.
2X41, I'll sweep the car while we're moving, and the TO advised me that Central advised him to take it all the way to the Concord Yard.
I copied that update, and we're going to relay it to the watch commander. X31 negative, it's going to be 12th Street. We'll make Central hold it there. X31 Central has been advised, hold it at 12th Street. Which I only caught part of that because it's fading garbled. Holding the metallic knife, what was the rest?
The handle was also metallic, and the handle was curved.
Did you find the weapon, or is this for info?
For info.
And for video recovery, CSL going to 12th Street, LB Platform 3, that's train will be on.
2 X-ray 1, the incident train car has been swept, nobody's on.
Is there any evidence tech currently on duty?
X-ray 1, the train's still at 1097 12th Street.
L2 for responding CSO's out of service train is at 12th Street, platform 3, holding.
42, case number. 100.
420103.
42, go ahead.
Adam 11 has added a note in here stating that per a witness, the suspect exited 24th Street from the train car 4416.
Where?
S21.
I'm at 24th Street. If you could read units that are in the area. 4041, we'll find 9 on site 24.
42. You can have the system service come clean up the scene. All evidence has been collected.
S21.
51 and 242 we're going to be checking in the southbound direction off of Mission neighborhood canvas, and then myself, 4041 will be checking northbound for possible video.
2 X-ray 1. 1063 updated the script on the attempt 187 at 24. 2 X-ray 1, it's a HM with cornrows. His hair was in a bun. He's wearing a black jacket with an orange liner. He's wearing a black t-shirt with the number 6 very big on the front in white, black jogging pants, and dark gray or black hunting-style combat boots.
42, copy.
214, show me a route to Conquer Yard with the evidence there.
Adam 42 and I, War 49, back to PAL for evidence.